As you are entering a new phase in life and you have to decide what course you want to pursue, what college you want to go to, and the best career option for you, we are here to help you. Let's begin with understanding your one page summary profile. On the top left hand side of the summary profile is the career code. It is a combination of four profiles: builder, communicator, innovator, and enabler. The longest bar shows your dominant profile, and the shortest bar shows your recessive profile. The career code is unique for each student. It is also relative to yourself, which means that it could tell you if you are a better innovator than a communicator, or if you are a better builder than an enabler. You should not compare your career code to anyone else's. On the bottom left, we have the career strengths. The career code breaks down into 12 career strengths. The decreasing order of career strengths helps you understand your areas of strength in a professional environment. It is important that you know this about yourself before deciding what is the suitable career option for you. The career strengths are color coded. Career strengths that emerge from enabler are the ones given in yellow: structural, procedural, and fiscal. The ones that emerge from builder are given in red: operational, mechanical, and technical. The green career strengths come from communicator, and the blue ones come from the innovator profile. They are also explained in further detail in the detailed profile. The career strengths further lead to 20 career families. The career families are given in a decreasing order of match, and they help you understand the best suitable career options for you. For example, it might be helpful for a student who took science in grade 10 to understand if becoming a scientist is a better option or an engineer. Or someone who had humanities might be confused about whether becoming a lawyer would be better than becoming a journalist. Across each career family, the 3-letter abbreviations that you see depict the career strengths required for that career family. If we look at business and consulting, enterprising, persuasive, and operational are the 3 career strengths that are required to excel in this field. Right at the bottom, we have talked about the courses that will be relevant for you. We will talk more about this in the detailed profile. Moving on to the detailed profile and understanding the output better. Page number 2 of the detailed profile explains the philosophy. An innovator is a person who is the mind of the team, somebody whose strength is working with new concepts and ideas and who thinks out of the box is an innovator. Some career roles are designer and scientist. Builders are hands-on members of the team. They get things done and execute things. Examples of career roles that come under the builder profile are engineers and business managers. Communicators are people who are the voice of the team. Through writing or speaking, they are good at persuading and inspiring people. Few examples of career roles that come under communicator are journalist and professor. Enablers are people who are the backbone of the team. People who keep things organized and who follow a procedure while working are enablers. Some career roles are lawyer and doctor. Every group or company requires people from all profiles to be able to function smoothly. If we take an example of a phone, innovators came up with the idea of a phone. Builders built the phone. Communicators made it reach the consumers, and enablers scaled it by giving structure to large companies like Samsung and Apple. Through the test, we scientifically arrive at the outcome. We also help you get an outside-in view so that first you know what is the best career option for you and then you choose your course and college. As given on page number 3, Let us now understand the decision tree approach used by us. We started with your career code, which was broken down into 12 career strengths and further broken down into 20 career families. Each career family has specific career roles given in the detailed profile. We also tell you the best suited courses. The detailed profile explains each of the things we talked about on the summary profile and a personality section. Part 1, pages 5 and 6 talk about your career code and through that about your career strengths and your ideal work environment. For example, if you are a dominant builder, you would like to take an initiative to ensure timely completion of tasks. Or if you're a dominant enabler, you would like to do your work in a very detail-oriented manner. Part 2 has your assessment outcomes, which includes your career strengths, career families, and course recommendations. Part 2A, pages 8 to 10. As discussed before, each profile breaks into 3 career strengths, so we get 12 career strengths from the career code. Here they're given in a decreasing order. For example, enterprising means that you take initiative, make detailed plans, and are decisive. To be persuasive is to be able to inspire others and motivate them to accept your ideas and opinions. Similarly, each career strength is explained for you to get a better understanding. The next step is to know what is the most suitable career family for you. Part 2B, pages 11 to 17, explain the various career families. We have divided the world of careers into 20 buckets. The detailed profile gives you a list of these 20 career families, starting with the career family that is the most suitable for you to the one which is the least suitable. Each career family is defined along with some examples of career roles, and as you move further, the degree of match reduces. We recommend that you consider one of the top 10 career families for yourself. Being on the right career path means that you choose the right course in college. On page 18, we help you decide the course you should study by considering the top 5 career families that have been recommended for you. The courses that you should study to have a career of your choice are listed in this table. Part 3A, pages 19 to 21. This section talks about your personality traits. Extroverts are people who enjoy being part of a large group and gain energy from those around them. People who enjoy being part of a smaller group and gain energy from within are introverts. Extroverts prefer width and introverts prefer depth in their relationships. Task-oriented people, like engineers, focus more on tangible outcomes, whereas influence-oriented people, like scientists, focus more on intangible outcomes. The scale in the middle depicts your personality type. At the bottom, we have also mentioned your primary and secondary personality traits. To give you a detailed description of your personality, we talk about your strength behaviors, your motivational needs from the work environment, and your stress behaviors. The last part of the detailed profile is an appendix with descriptions of the career roles mentioned before. We hope this helped you understand yourself better and that you make right career decisions.